Wavlink, established in 2012, is a world-leading supplier of network communication equipment and integrated IT peripherals. We provide R&D, design, production, sales and after-sales services for all our products. Wavlink has maintained a strong momentum of development and attracted a large number of sales and technical talents. As a member of BSCI, Wavlink cooperates with major laboratories such as SGS, OBL and TUV. In 2015, Wavlink obtained the title of NationalHigh-TechCorporation. At the same time, it completed the registration in more than 90 markets. In 2016, Wavlink undertook a country-level research project, super high-speed exchangeable Wi-Fi technology. It passed the final product inspection and received national special funds. Wavlink specializes in 1. Wi-Fi networking, such as Wi-Fi routers, repeaters and mesh. 2. USB peripherals, such as USB docking stations, graphics cards, hard drive enclosure. 3. Smart home IoT products, such as IP cameras, pet feed robots. Wavlink provides products to ISPs, global chain stores and distributors. It has established strategic cooperation with partners, including MTK, DisplayLink, Synaptics and Intel. In 2018, Wavlink took the lead in introducing the Thunderbolt 3 project and became one of the only 2 Thunderbolt 3 certified manufacturers in mainland China. With exclusive agents in 12 countries at present. Wavlink's products are sold in offline channels in more than 60 countries around the world, and all parts of the world through e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Rakuten, and Lazada. Up to now, Wavlink has obtained more than 80 invention patents, software copyrights, appearance patents and brand patents, as well as hundreds of electronic product solutions, certified by FCC, CE and 3C. Best wishes for Wavlink. Thank you.